Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the tire pressure monitoring in your Tesla, okay? So, what you need to do, guys, first you want to hop into your Tesla, of course, and then you want to head over to the controls menu on your touchscreen, okay? From there, what you want to do is select safety, okay? Select safety, and then here you'll find the tire monitoring option. So, once you're in the tire pressure monitoring section, okay, what you can also do is you can do controls and then display and then tire pressure. But when you are on the option, of course, guys, you can also view this on the mobile app. Anyways, guys, once you are in the tire pressure monitoring section, what you'll see is the current, you're going to see the current tire pressure for all four tires displayed on your screen. So, this is a great way to, keep tabs on your tire health. And next up, guys, what you need to do is set pressure alerts. Okay. Now let's set up your pressure alerts. So if you want to actually receive notifications when your tire pressure falls below a specific threshold, you want to look for the alert settings, guys. Okay. The alert settings option here, you can actually customize the minimum tire pressure level that will actually trigger an alert. Then, guys, if you have recently changed tires or adjusted your pressure, you might want to recalibrate the system. Just go back to safety and select tire, calibrate tire pressure. Then just follow the, you know, on screen instructions to ensure an accurate monitoring, guys. And then, guys, it's also, look, it's good practice, okay? It's good practice to ensure your tire you check your tire pressures regularly, okay? Especially before long trips. Remember that maintaining the correct tire pressure and not only improves your driving experience, but also enhances safety and efficiency, guys. And that's it, guys. You are now set up to keep an eye on your tire pressure in your Tesla. And guys, make sure you hit that link in the description to learn for ways where you can upgrade your ride even further, guys. Until next time, make sure you subscribe